And this is pretty straightforward. So this is pretty straightforward. Cut the waste, save taxpayer dollars, support. I think this is pretty straightforward. Bill Clinton made some very hard political decisions.
And the question is a very straightforward one, a very simple one. It's our time.
It's very straightforward that people shouldn't be discriminated against for race, gender, sexual orientation, or religious affiliation. Hard to argue against that.
So, Presidents, ladies and gentlemen, the course of human progress is never straightforward. I don't know how you argue against that. Seems pretty straightforward to me. It was just a bailout, straightforward. Today, I'm also proposing a homeowner's Bill of Rights. One straightforward set of common sense rules of the road that every family knows they can count on when they're shopping for a mortgage. It's pretty straightforward. Your voice matters. No, look, what I've said is that I'm happy to have a conversation about deficit reduction. No, Juliana, look, this is pretty straightforward. But the principles are pretty straightforward. Rather turn to for straightforward, unvarnished advice that helps me to do my job. He understands all sides. And initially, the police departments across the state were resistant, but actually they came to recognize that if it was done in a fair, straightforward way, that it would allow them to do their jobs better, and communities would have more confidence in them, and in turn be more helpful in applying the law. But the truth of the matter is that my interactions with him tend to be very straightforward.